Oh, hey, Brewing Feed here. Hey, we're making some baby back ribs with our Americana barbecue rub. But while these are cooking for a couple of hours, slow smoking, we're gonna check out what Cleveland, Ohio's got going on for craft beer to pair with this. So let's go check them out and see what they're working with. Brew strong and feed well. Okay, I'm here at Saucy Brew Works in Cleveland, Ohio. It's my favorite brewery in Cleveland. I'm drinking IPA ASAP. This is the beer I chose to take home to pair with my ribs. So let's go check it out and see what they're working with. So sorry about that. Hey, we're here making some barbecue ribs. I'm here at Saucy Brew Works in Cleveland, Ohio. It is my favorite brewery in Cleveland, Ohio. I'm drinking IPA ASAP.